Did you ever foresee that there would be a time when algorithms decide who gets a job, qualifies for a loan, or even deserves medical care without human oversight? That is the world we live in. Now, what if those decisions are biased, opaque, or flat out wrong? Not only that, imagine all your personal information getting saved in a database that can be used without your knowledge or consent. This is not sci-fi. We're gradually slipping into this complex reality as AI takes over everything. Indeed, the potential of AI to make life easier cannot be denied, but the risks also stand tall. Is there a way around this double-edged sword? In this video, we'll go through the top AI acts that companies should be conversant with, their responses to these acts, and penalties for non-compliance. The need to have a system around AI that will ensure it remains safe for humans stands as a response to the people's panic about the uncontrollable power AI already has. It serves as a beacon of hope, a chance to guide this powerful technology with fairness, transparency, and human welfare at its core. The need to design a responsible AI has been addressed by creating a body of regulations founded on 6 principles: transparency, privacy, safety, accountability, fairness, and human-centeredness. With responsible AI regulations, various bodies have been saddled with ensuring that every AI company complies with the frameworks of responsible AI. The EU Artificial Intelligence Act regulates the development and utilization of artificial intelligence within the European Union. It was enacted in phases throughout 2024, receiving approval on the 13th of March 2024 with a vote tally of 523 in favor, 46 opposed, and 49 abstaining. The EU Council ratified it on the 21st of May 2024. The act became effective on the 1st of August 2024. This act adopts a risk-based regulatory approach, imposing various regulations on AI systems based on the level of risk they present to human health, safety, and rights. It establishes guidelines for the design, training, and deployment of general-purpose artificial intelligence models, including foundation models that power systems like ChatGPT and Google Gemini. In January 2023, the National Institute of Standards and Technology released an AI risk management framework to offer a systematic method for addressing AI-related risks. Since its introduction, the NIST AI-RMF has emerged as a standard for managing AI risks. The main objective of the AI-RMF is to assist organizations in designing, developing, deploying, and utilizing AI systems that effectively control risks and encourage reliable, responsible AI practices. Created in collaboration with public and private sectors, the AI-RMF is optional and relevant to any organization, industry, or geographic location. The framework consists of 2 sectors. Part 1 introduces the risks and traits of trustworthy AI systems. Part 2, known as the AI-RMF Core, outlines 4 key functions to support organizations in addressing risks associated with AI systems. The functions are to govern, foster a culture of AI risk management within the organization, map, define AI risks within specific business contexts, measure, evaluate, and analyze AI risks, and manage, tackle the identified and assessed risks. Its purpose is to enhance trustworthiness and mitigate the risk of AI systems. The National Institute of Standards and Technology offers a flexible, comprehensive, and quantifiable 7-step process for organizations to manage information security and privacy risks. This framework serves as a valuable resource for both individuals and organizations. Consequently, the public can have confidence in AI systems associated with the framework. The International Organization for Standardization and the International Electrotechnical Commission have established standards that tackle different facets of AI risk management, a crucial component of responsible AI. The ISO IEC 42001 standard, according to ISO, is an international framework for managing artificial intelligence systems. It provides guidance for organizations on how to develop and use AI responsibly. This standard has various sections, each concentrating on specific elements promoting responsible AI principles. The ISO/IEC standards highlight the significance of transparency, accountability, and ethical considerations in managing AI risks. They also offer practical guidelines for overseeing AI risks throughout the entire AI lifecycle, from design and development to deployment and operation. The Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers (IEEE), the world's largest organization for advancing technology, created a set of rules to guide the interaction between humans and machines. This design promotes the ethical development of autonomous and intelligent systems. To be ethically appropriate, these systems must have human well-being, uphold transparency, and prevent algorithm bias. This document remains a handbook for policymakers, technologists, business leaders, and everyone involved with AI to foster AI that upholds human rights and ethical standards. The Organization for Economic and Cooperative Development (OECD) also developed a set of rules to guide the development and use of trustworthy AI that promotes human rights. These are the first intergovernmental standards on AI. They were adopted in 2019 but modified in May 2024 to consider new technological and policy developments. They set standards for AI that are practical and flexible enough to stand the test of time. The California Consumer Privacy Act, passed in 2020, safeguards Californians' rights regarding the privacy of their personal information. This movement has been formalized into law in California through the CCPA's enactment. The guidelines of the CCPA were crafted to provide California consumers with rights specifically related to personal data privacy and to offer them reasonable security measures. These rights include the ability for Californians to make requests concerning their consumer data. The California Privacy Protection Agency ensures that California residents receive appropriate protections and are duly informed about changes in data that affect them. It also implements anti-discrimination regulations prohibiting individuals from being penalized for exercising these rights. Bills such as the AB 2930, which focuses on addressing algorithmic discrimination, the SB 1047, which aims at AI safety and accountability measures, and the proposal for AI impact assessments. These bills address AI governance and focus on AI safety, transparency, and ethical use, which aims to protect consumer rights and prevent potential misuse. These bills came into law in September 2024. Responsible AI regulation is a policing arm that monitors every act and movement of AI companies and companies utilizing or incorporating AI in their operation. Of course, as humans don't like to be regulated and kept in a box, many companies and tech individuals frown at these regulations, stating that they limit creativity and might hinder the free expression of innovative AI. However, research found that over 90% of companies already abide by responsible AI regulations. Those who defy aren't left to go scot-free. Each regulation states various penalties for those who don't abide by it. One of the general penalties for not complying with responsible AI regulation is that the company risks losing its license. Non-compliance with prohibitions results in the most significant penalties under the EU AI Act, reaching as much as 35 million euros, or 7% of a company's annual global revenue. The next highest penalties apply to non-compliance, with specific duties for various stakeholders including providers, representatives, importers, distributors, deployers, notified bodies, and users. Violating the relevant regulations can lead to fines of up to 15 million euros, or 3% of a company's annual global turnover. Failure to provide accurate or complete information breaches Article 21 of the AI Act. Responding with incorrect, incomplete, or misleading information to requests from national authorities or notified bodies can incur fines of up to 7.5 million euros, or 1% of total worldwide revenue, whichever is more significant. Complying with responsible AI regulations follows the principles of ensuring the safe use of the technology. This is the responsibility of AI companies and consumers. Companies should include responsible AI in developing their tools, and users should be conversant with their rights so they won't have their rights violated. For details on the above AI regulation and how to comply, see the description. Responsible AI seems to have gone a long way in reducing AI's potential for risks, but can it keep AI regulated? Air your views in the comments. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe. Before you go, click on the video displayed on your screen.